Hello friends, now we will be doing a very simple exercise today. That is, I have given a list of, in fact we have a list of verbs here. Some of them are regular, some of them are irregular, or some are weak and some are strong. So for example, if you can make the past tense by adding ed in some grammar books, they call such verbs weak verbs. For example, looked, so that is weak verb, or walked, weak verb. But if a verb can make its own tense, so it is a change by vowel change, then that we call strong verb, because they are strong enough to make changes within themselves. That's called eat, ate, eaten, eat, ate, drink, drank, sing, sang, like that. So those verbs are called strong verbs. Okay. So you can call them regular, irregular, or strong, weak. That is up to you. Alright. That doesn't make much difference. Let's say. Now what I am going to do is, together we'll be doing is, now I told you now there is always, many times I have seen students writing like this: did, looked, or did, ate, like this. So this is wrong because they are double past. We have already shown you that this did is like this. You insert do and looked, and afterwards take this and add here. Then this will become did. And here only you have look, not looked. So that point, if you keep in your mind, you will never make mistakes. For irregular verbs, of course, there is no ed, but the past tense is there. The past tense marker is ed. See that? Whether it is regular or irregular. In the irregular verbs, you can't see that. But there is that ed, or the effect of ed, when you change the vowel of the verb. Understand? I think now that's clear. So this is the point that we want to stress or focus today. Now the question here is, rewrite after do insertion, not did insertion. Do becomes did when you bring ed and attach that to do, as I have already shown you. So let us start expanding it, or we can say, after do insertion, let us say how these verbs will look like. Okay? So built is equal to did plus or did build. Understand? Did build. Why? Because that past tense has been attached to do, and that do now has become did. Is that clear? The same is with every one of these. But I just want to repeat it, and so that you get the idea that once you use or expand the past tense, you will get did plus the present form, or you can't say present form. Did, the tense is taken, so what remains there is tenseless. Not senseless, but tenseless. If you write did built, then that is senseless. Understand? The other is tenseless. I think it is clear to you, isn't it? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Then we have sent, did send. See that? Send. Broke, did break. Okay. Wished, did wish. Did you see the change? See, look here. Look here. Looked, did look. Spoke, did speak. Understand? Travel, did travel. Ate, did eat. Went, did go. Read, past tense and present tense, they have got the same spelling. So did read. pronunciation. Yes. Understand? Did you see that? So the moment the past tense is added to do becomes did. And then there is no tense here. It becomes a tenseless. Understand? A tenseless word. That's the point. Yes. So you can see here this one, here, this here. Okay, then we have got a did love, not loved. Did promise. Did promise. Did keep. Did sleep. Did improve. Did examine. Understand? You are following? Are you writing with me? Did put. Because past, present tense and past tense is the same. Put. Cut. So did cut. Did cut. Did run. Did run. Did jump. Did jump. Understand? Not did jumped. You got that point? Because if you want to make any transformation or any change in the simple tenses, you have to take the help of do. We have seen that in the present tense. He eats, he does eat, he does eat, he does not eat. We saw that, we already saw. They eat, they do eat, they do not eat. Like that. Now here, did serve, did serve, did publish, did arrive, did move, did help, did work, did drink, not drank, did drink, did swim, did write, did hate. So that's the thing. Is that clear? Now we can easily make it negative. What do we do? Insert not in between did and the verb. So did not, etc. And then short form is didn't. That's the thing. Or that. I think now that much is clear to you. So what is past tense? Then how past tense is made? That is the form of the past tense. Why do we have past? Simple, silly question. Because we want to narrate things or our actions that we have done. We want to place it we have to place it yesterday. If you do something today and we have to place it yesterday. Understand? If you consider yesterday as a basket, what are we going to do is today's action we are putting in yesterday's basket. The basket called yesterday. For that you require past tense. Because you are telling stories now, or you want to narrate something tell something about your childhood. Then how can you say it now? You cannot say is or like that. You have to say when I was a child. Isn't it? When we were playing. That is when we played. Past tense now. So past tense is required. See? Just as we have got for present tenses, we have got corresponding for past tenses also. That we will see later. For the time being, this is the simple past. Just as we have got the simple present. Alright? Yeah. So there we are. So you can say like this. Didn't, and you can say did not wish, did not look, did not speak, did not travel, did not eat, did not go, did not read, or did not love, didn't love, did not promise, didn't promise, did not keep, didn't keep, did not sleep, didn't sleep, did not improve, didn't improve, did not examine, didn't examine, did not put, didn't put, did not cut, didn't cut, did not run, didn't run, did not jump, didn't jump. See that? then did not serve, didn't serve, did not publish, did not arrive, did not move, did not help, did not work, did not drink, did not swim, did not write, and did not hate. So what you should do, you can do one thing. You take another 20, 30 verbs like this, or 100 verbs. Verb, what is a verb? Action, doing words. So you take 100 doing words and then insert do. First you take down make a list of these verbs. Then you insert do, afterwards make them negative. So thus you can become the masters of the use of English language. Once you become master, you are always master. You are always master. That is the point. Understand? Once you learn this, you will never make a mistake. So this is actually a lifetime treasure for you. Grammar of any language, if you learn, that is a lifetime treasure for you, for me. Understand? So do this exercise and become an expert in this. See, when you are given a past tense, if you are asked to expand it, you can call it expansion also. Or you say do insertion, then what will happen to the verb? It will become a tenseless word. Understand? So that's a very important point to remember. Hope that it is very clear to you. So till we see again, bye. Have a nice day.